Hello everybody, my name is Thorsten Losert and I'm working for PeTa Bearbeitungstechnik in Germany. Our location for business is the small city of Klein-Ostheim, which is nearby Aschaffenburg, approximately 20 minutes from Frankfurt am Main. So let me give you an idea of what we produce by showing you a scheme of our products. So now you will see our stack box. It's very easy to handle. This one is very easy to build up. It's suitable for various kind of displays. You can build up some towers, video walls or bridges. It's tested for 6 to 6 boxes for a video screen wall. So please have a look at our website. The website is www.peta-gmbh.de.